Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we will explain how to use the Figma tool for UI UX designing. Let's start the video. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use Figma. First open your browser and go to link figma.com. Once page open, you will see prices of Figma. Let's start a sign up. This is a free price. This is a premium, professional and organizations. I use free one. You can sign up with Google as well. I am going to log in through my Google email. Yes, click on sign in. Log in through a Google, continue with Google. Enter Gmail ID and sign in. Figma is UI UX software. You can easily design on it. This is a starting page of Figma. Here you can see all the projects. All your previous projects are saved here, and you can open any saved project and easily edit it. These are saved one. Open any saved one and you can edit easily. This is a very light software. It's an online software. Basically, it's an online software. Very light software. You can use maybe on a laptop, maybe on a mobile also. I am going to open a new file and give it name my app. You can select a frame from the different options shown in the field to choose which screen you want to design. I am use iPhone 14. Use the rectangle and circle tool. You create the screens in Figma. You can make a design, any design. You have a pen tool also, similar like a Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. This is a pen tool. You can use pen tool and make a shapes, make a design for a screen. The top part of a screen you can design accordingly your requirement. If you want icons, you can download them from the plugins. There are many plugins available on it, and these icons can be used for applications and website design. I am installing the one plugin for the icons. This is icon plugin. Many icons available on this plugin. These icons have different types. You can make it colorful, makes a white color, makes a black and white color. Figma is very nice and smooth software compared to others. This is a very light software. You can easily use it. It's not a difficult software, it's a very easy. You can learn easily from YouTube also. If you want the certificate of the UI UX designing, graphic designing, front end development, back end development, you can contact us. You can also see the CSS. You can use CSS from here and implement in websites. CSS available, also available Android and iOS, code available on it. This is Android, this is iOS for a iPhone. You can copy from here, CSS copy from here, and you can use in a coding. Make a prototype using this tool if you want to show the flow of screens in your application to clients. This is a prototype, which is first screen, which is second screen, which is third screen, or you can show the actions of buttons, you can actions of sliders also on it. Using prototype, it's a very easy. You want to show the flow of screens in application to client, you can use the prototype for the approval of the website. Look, click on login. This is third screen. To make a slider, also you use this. Share the link with the clients for approval, and this is the live view. Copy the link and share with clients. Your clients see the live view, you can change it. To make a slider slickers in a Figma, create a new frame and add it to the previous frame. Add this frame to the prototype, play it and see the results. Look, this is second frame, this frame inside the other frame. You can use the animations of buttons animations or slider animations. Look the results, you can see result here. This is a slicker. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.